Dr. Sajid here again. I have done a video clip on the COVID vaccine, but there are still some questions, and I will tackle the recently asked questions. And the questions are: number one, whether this vaccine can cause the disease itself. Second, is it safe to be given to people above 60 years of age? And thirdly, does it contain anything that is not halal? So, in other words, can we take it without any hesitation? So let me answer these questions one by one. First of all, I have stated in my previous video that these are safe and effective vaccines, all of them. The vaccine itself can be given above 60 years of age. That is what the government recommends, and that is what other authorities in the world recommend. So elderly population in our country or anywhere else can easily take the vaccine without any harmful effects, and it is effective in them also. The second is whether it can cause disease. In other words, people are worried that if they take the vaccine and quote unquote, if it is very strong, it might cause the COVID disease. That is absolutely not true. The vaccine cannot cause the disease. As a matter of fact, it prevents disease. It prevents you from getting this serious kind of disease that can be incapacitating, debilitating, and life-threatening. So, contrary to what some people feel, there is no evidence that it can cause disease at all. The third question is it allowed from our religious perspective? In other words, does it contain any material, any tissue that is prohibited by our religion? So I would tell you again that based on the evidence that we have, there is no reason why we would consider it other than halal. So please go ahead and get the vaccine, and don't be worried about any of these issues. It is permissible, it is effective beyond 60 years of age, and it cannot cause disease. I hope this adds to your knowledge, and I hope that as the vaccine is being rolled out, we should all get it. One other issue, and that is how many doses. Most vaccines against COVID are generally 2 doses, and some are given 3 weeks apart, some 4 weeks apart, and some now being recommended even 12 weeks apart. But there are new vaccines coming in which may be given only one time in a single dose. So until those are available, you follow the instructions that the government is very properly giving us, and take the vaccine that is being recommended. I hope again that this information was of some use to you.